Hello everyone. So, what this series of videos is going to do is hopefully teach you how to make a website without knowing the first thing about web development. Now, rather than working with this source code, which unless you know a lot about programming and web development, probably just looks like gobbledygook, we're going to work with something that looks like this, the final product. What this is called is what you see is what you get web development, which stands for what you see while you're working on it is what you get when you're done. Now to do this, we're going to be working with an editor called KompoZer. Now there's several editors out there. Adobe Dreamweaver is a very good one. There's a new one called Roxer, R-O-X-E-R. However, I chose KompoZer because for two reasons. A, it's free, and B, it has everything you need without having a lot of bells and whistles you're never going to use. Now, to start, we obviously need to download the software. This is fairly simple. If you want an English language version for Windows, click the download button. If you have Mac or Linux, or you want a non-English version, click here to this page and it will take you to what you need. Now, click here to start the download and it will take you to a mirror. The mirror basically just says we don't want to store this on our servers, so we take it here. Now, the download should start immediately. What you want to do is save. When the download finishes, mine finished fairly fast, yours probably won't. If you're running Google Chrome, simply click it once. Firefox, double click it in the download menu. For other web developers or web browsers, the process will be a little different, but mostly similar. So, click it, run it. This basically gives it permission to download it into the place where it wants to download. Give it permission again. Next, accept the agreement. Fairly standard. There's nothing here you need to worry about. Next again. This basically just says where it's going to download. Next, ignore this. Next. Now, be sure to make sure create a desktop icon is checked. That will basically create a shortcut that you can get to without having to dig through your entire computer. Click next again, and install should start the mode. Now, thanks to the wonders of web video production, my download is complete. Click if you want to start immediately, make sure Launch KompoZer is checked. If you'd rather wait a while, uncheck it, no problem. So, click Finish. The program should launch in a second. And there it goes. Now, the first time you run KompoZer, a quick tips box will pop up. It has some fairly good advice. If you want it, leave it. If not, uncheck it and it'll go away. Well, congratulations, it's installed.